Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram login error challenge required. So guys, when you have login your Instagram account on iPhone and facing this issue again and again, that is challenge required. I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, and guys after going to back you need to open your settings on your iPhone. And guys, you need to make sure that you have connected with Wi-Fi. So guys, if not, then you need to turn on your mobile data on your iPhone. And secondly, you need to scroll it below, click on general, and guys click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected. So guys, if connected, you need to disconnect that VPN. And after doing this, you need to go back. Third step is you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone. Click on reset, and guys, you need to reset your network settings. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, at fourth step, you have to open your app store on your iPhone, and here you need to search Instagram. So guys, after opening your Instagram, you have to open your Instagram, and guys, you need to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing all the settings, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, and guys click on general and click on iPhone storage. And guys, after this, from here you have to open your Instagram, and guys, you need to offload your app and upload your app. And guys, after doing offload, you need to reinstall again. And guys, after doing these settings, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.